Hello guys and welcome back again into another one video. So in today's video we will talk about Tiny11. Also we are going to install it on our system. But before that let's know what is Tiny11. Tiny11 is a latest version of Windows 11. We can install it in low-end PC. Like you have minimum of 2 GB RAM, 8 GB internal storage and you don't have any kind of graphic card. Your motherboard doesn't have TPM secure boot. Still you can install Tiny11 as an operating system. The way it is updated in Windows 11, as it is you get it in Tiny11. But it is customized to use in low-end PC. So let's install Tiny11 version of Windows 11 in our operating system. I am going to use virtual machine in this. You have to know about what is virtual machine. I have put videos in I button and description. You can check them as well. You will know how to install virtual machine. So without further ado let's jump into the video. Tiny11 ISO image. Guys, Tiny11 ISO image is available on this website. archive.org. After coming here you have to click on ISO image. As you click on it, this file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded it. I have to install it on my machine. I am going to use virtual machine. I am going to install it on Hyper-V Manager. After opening virtual machine, you have to click on Quick Create. As you click on it, you get this option. Here we will click on Local Installation Source. Then you have to select the ISO image, which I have already told you. I am going to select it. You can see here that I have Tiny11 v1 version. I am going to select it and click on Open. As soon as Tiny11 is selected, you have to click on Create Virtual Machine. Your virtual machine will be created here. You have to click on Edit Setting. After clicking on Edit, you can see hardware, firmware, security and memory. I have given 4 GB. I am going to give 2 GB size. The processor is 6 core. I am going to press on OK. Finally, I am going to click on Connect. As soon as I click on Connect, you will get a new tab in which you have to click on Start. After clicking on Start, you have to press any key. As I have pressed Enter key. As soon as you click on it, you get this Windows Setup option. You have to leave the default setting. Then click on Next. You have to accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. As soon as you click on Next, your space will be shown here. But I am creating it on virtual machine. So, the space is shown here. If you are using it on operating system, your C drive will be shown here. You can install it on that. I will press on New and click on Apply. You will get a warning message here. You can accept it. As soon as I press on OK, I have to click on Next. Tiny11 installation will start. If you are using low-end PC, it may take more time. But I have high configuration. So, I have to wait for some time. As soon as installation is complete, I will tell you the next process. After installation is complete, you have to complete the basic settings. Like selecting the country. After selecting the country, you have to select the keyboard layout. I will select English India and click on Yes. You have to select the keyboard layout. You can select it. I will skip it. You have to process the installation steps of Windows 11 as it is. You have seen my videos on Windows installation. You have to give device name. I will select Yes. I will click on Next. You can set the password here. I will set the password. I will click on Next. After setting the password, click on Next and accept. Your whole step is completed. Your Windows Tiny will be ready. You have to wait for some time. After installation is complete, you have to enter the password you have set. After entering, your Tiny Windows 11 will be shown. It is like Windows 11 but it works on low-end PC. First, we will open Task Manager. After opening Task Manager, you can see the performance of the Task Manager. You get all the options here. You have to check the CPU heating process from time to time. It is a low-end PC when you install Windows 11. The CPU heating process increases. In this video, I have to tell you how to install Tiny 11. I hope you know about Windows 11. If you have any query or concern, please let me know in the comment section. Please hit the like button and subscribe button. I will see you in the next tutorial video. Have a wonderful day.